The following message is from the Douglas County Sheriff's Office. The Douglas County 911 Center has been notified of a telephone service outage affecting 911 service in the Reedsport area and surrounding coastal communities of Douglas County. At this time, it is unknown how widespread the outage is, or how long it will persist. People in the affected area may not be able to dial 911 from their landline telephone and cannot dial long distance. They should be able to reach 911 on a cellular telephone if they have cell service, otherwise they may call the Reedsport Police Department for assistance. The telephone number for Reedsport Police Department is 541-271-2100. A press release will be issued when service has been restored. The following message is from the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office. Deschutes County is reporting a CenturyLink service outage affecting approximately 1,400 citizens in the Redmond, Sisters and Black Butte Ranch area. A cut fiber line in the area is impacting 911, voice, internet, and cell service for CenturyLink customers. Due to this service interruption, residents in the affected areas may not be able to summon emergency assistance by dialing 911 from your landline or cell phone. CenturyLink estimates these services will be restored at approximately 8 p.m. If you currently have a life-threatening emergency, report to the nearest hospital, police, or fire station for immediate assistance. The following message is from the Baker County Sheriff's Department. EAS Cellular is experiencing an outage affecting several areas throughout Oregon. Customers are currently unable to call 911 from their cellular devices. If you currently have a life-threatening emergency, please report to the nearest fire or police station for immediate assistance. Crews are working to resolve the issue. Updates will be posted as they become available. The following message is from the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office. Malala residents are experiencing a 911 outage affecting landlines. The outage is expected to last 8 hours. Residents can call 911 using their cell phone or call non-emergency using their landline at 503-655-8211. Given the 911 outage, Clackamas County is asking all county residents to reduce calls to non-emergency to keep the lines free for Malala residents who do not have a cell phone. The following message is from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. 911 phone outage for the Junction City area. The Central Lane 911 Communications Center reports that a phone company is experiencing a phone outage in the Junction City area. If you live in that area and are not able to reach 911 on your phone and have an emergency, and can't dial out on your cell phone, please respond to The Junction City Fire Station at 1755 Juniper Street or Junction City Police Department at 672 Greenwood Street for help. The phone company is troubleshooting the outage. The following message is from the Oregon State Police Tillamook Patrol Office. A 911 outage was reported in North Lincoln County and South Tillamook County. Do not call 911 unless there is an emergency. Telephone outage in the North Lincoln County and South Tillamook County area due to a major fiber line cut. This may affect community members' ability to reach 911 dispatch centers. If you have an emergency, first try to call 911. If unable to get through, try to text 911 or go to your closest fire or law enforcement station for assistance. The following message is from the Emergency Communications of Southern Oregon. The Jackson County Sheriff's Office is reporting a phone outage affecting 412 customers in the Gold Hill area. These customers may not be able to dial 911 from their landlines. If you are an affected customer and you have an emergency, use your cell phone to call 911, as cell phones are not affected. If you don't have a cell phone and you have an emergency, go to a neighbor and ask if you can borrow a cell phone to call 911. Authorities are uncertain to when the phones will be running again. Please stand by for an update as more information becomes available.